Let's talk about child support. People often ask, how is child support calculated in the state of Wisconsin? Child support in the state of Wisconsin does follow child support guidelines. So we do have a calculator where we plug in incomes, we plug in a placement schedule, and out pops a child support number. There are some variables involved, however. When we're looking at income of parties, we need to look at, is somebody getting bonuses? Are there commissions involved? Is there overtime involved? Is somebody working more than 40 hours a week? Is somebody working less than 40 hours a week? So often we have disputes as to what the income available for child support should be. Once we determine what income we're going to use for purposes of child support, we need to look at the placement schedule. When there is a placement schedule under the child support guidelines, there's a different computation that's used. A 50-50 placement child support order is going to be very different than if there is a primary parent. If there's a 50-50 placement, the child support is going to be much less because the parties are sharing the time with the child. There are other factors that the court will look at as well, such as who is providing the health insurance for the children and what is the cost. Is somebody paying for private tuition for a private school? Those are some of the factors the court will look at. Other factors that can be considered would be if somebody is a very high income payor, and there may be a discount in that scenario if they find that the child support is in excess of what the children actually need. If that is the case, often the court will order that part of that child support be put into a trust fund or college fund for the benefit of the children. The court will also consider variable expenses such as daycare costs, costs of any tuition or schooling costs, and extracurricular activities such as soccer and football and the activities that are a cost to the child, for the child. Those type of variable costs are split in the percentage of shared placement. So in other words, if the parties are doing an equal shared placement of the child, say on a 50-50 basis, those extra costs would be split 50-50 between the parties as well.